updates. It just tells us now that it might take a while. It's basically, yeah. Right. Right, just a moment screen. Yeah, so we just keep on waiting patiently and observe what's going on a screen. Okay, system just restarted itself again. And I think at this point we can see our new Windows 10 installation booting for the first time, and I think this time it will be up to the point where we will see actual desktop screen. Okay. There's a little bit more of configuration here. Setting all the services and all that. Oh, okay, right. So it's now asking us to either join the cloud Azure Active Directory, or we can just create our local Active Directory domain, which is exactly what I will do. So now you are just choosing what's the account name for this computer. In my case, I'll just type Toshiba. You can set a password if you like. I'll just ignore that for a second, for now. And we are just pressing the next button. Now you can tell it to either use Cortana or not. I'll just use Cortana. I like to chat with my laptop. And here we've got the first screen where it's telling hi. So yeah, so that's your new operating system installed on your laptop. Now you are running Windows version 10, so it's fully there, it's fully installed. Actually, on my other videos where I was chatting about how to install operating systems on the laptops, I've had some questions about how this new Windows 10 is performing on this laptop. So I've been running this Windows 10 on this Toshiba laptop, that's Toshiba L750-201. I've been running it for a while and it's running absolutely fine. It's like after getting to the point where you can see a desktop, yeah, just leaving Windows for a while on its own on the internet. So it's just finding all the drivers. So we will update the graphic driver on the first few moments, and then it will try to find out what else are the devices on your laptop. And it's just installing all the drivers for everything over there by itself, and it's running smoothly, like without any problems. So yeah, so it's all working quite well for this laptop. It's absolutely fine to upgrade it. There are no problems under the hood I would notice. Now it's just tries to install some other updates. It's like it just tells like, yeah, it stays up to date and all that. So at the moment it's just downloading some most important updates from the internet. Once installed, Windows will update itself for a while, so it will keep on downloading updates on the next few days, few weeks, in order to stay up to date with whatever is most recent. And yeah, now we can see that we've got a desktop here. At the minute it's running on a pretty low resolution, but you can see that like in a couple of minutes probably you'll just see a message here on Action Center that there are some updates available. You will see a notification that it's trying to find a graphics driver, because that's what it will do first, and then from that point it's just running as like, you know, brand new machine from the store really. Yes, I think that's everything that has to be said at this point. Like, as for the initial configuration, it will just do it all by itself, because we've got internet connection here where we're just connected to whatever the network we choose during the setup, and then later on will just start updating itself with newest updates. It will download all the drivers that are needed. So at this point you can just go with the simple configuration. For example, I like to have my computer icon on the desktop, so I would just go through personalize, themes, then we've got theme settings. So you can choose your background, the one you like. Then we're clicking on display. Yeah, then we just can do a lot of it. Yeah, advanced display settings. No. Yeah, so we're going to themes, theme settings, and in here we've got an option, change desktop icons, and now here you can check computer, so that will show us the computer icon on the desktop. I'll click OK, which is fine. Now I've got my computer icon. I can go and see what the hard drives are in it. What else is there? Yeah. Okay. Windows starts communicating. Yeah, you can actually set up for a OneDrive over here. Now in Action Center we've got our first message, which is the message about signing up for a cloud. It's like, soon enough there will be another one for a graphics driver. What else I can do right now? I can go and change the settings of my taskbar, because I like when the icons aren't stacked up. So yeah, I'll just tell it to never combine taskbar buttons. Yeah, so that will be it, like the initial configuration. Is that graphic driver here? No. Alright. Yeah, so that's our initial configuration. We've got Windows up and running, we've got our background setup, we've got nice this PC icon just there in the corner, so you can access all your files. And from this point you're just running the Windows 10 on your Toshiba laptop, and like in next couple of minutes, couple of hours, it will update itself with the drivers and everything, and that'll be it. Like, yeah, so that's Windows 10 installed on a Toshiba L750 201. Thank you very much for watching, and feel free to subscribe for my channel, and